Hello shoppers, I have received an amazing product for your eyebrows today. I've got this henna set for the evaluation purposes and I would love to share my personal opinion. So this henna set is suitable for at home as well as salon use. It is suitable for beginners and advanced users. It does come in a variety of colors. So the set contains everything you need to create perfect eyebrows at home. So I've got this brown color of henna. So I also have this nourishing oil, instructions, gloves. Uh, so this one is for the water. This is a mixing cup with this amazing brush. So let's create perfect eyebrows right now. So this is how it looks. You just need like a small amount of henna and let's add some water. Add in water. So let's mix it to create an even like mixture. So right now it's a green natural henna color, but then eventually it will get darker. So you will get a perfect color for your eyebrows. Okay, I think we're ready to apply. Don't forget to wear protective gloves. Okay guys, so after you're done with the application of this henna, it is recommended to wait 10-15 minutes. Okay guys, I think I'm ready with the application. I will wait around 10-15 minutes and we'll see the result. Okay guys, so I really like how my eyebrows look after the henna. I think it is very natural and I will for sure recommend it to anyone. So you don't need to use pencil anymore.